Friday recap. So going into the day, um, go back on the 15. So I was expecting longs just because it retraced into this fat gapped equilibrium. We got some displacement out of it and we were going higher. Um, but going into open, we inverse everything in this leg right here, showing signs that we wanted to go lower. So I wanted to see London lows, and then there was Asia lows down here, but we never actually went to it. But that's fine because the London lows was the manipulation, right? So going into the day, 9:30. Yeah, 9:30 opens down here. I'm expecting this to hold, and we inverse this gap right here. It's not a very good inverse because of that wick right there. It's not a very strong bearish candle, but if he got a stronger close, I would have taken that. Um, but today was just really manipulative Friday. Like I think like almost everybody who traded today in my Discord took a loss. So I didn't take any trades just because I didn't see anything worthwhile. I mean, I did see some stuff worthwhile, but the way we were moving was not ideal. And yeah, I just didn't take anything. And the stuff that I would have taken, I think it would have been like probably like two L's or something and a win or something. So probably would have been a little bit down on the day. So I'm fine with that. Anyways, yeah. So off of this inverse, we don't respect it. We go back up. There is a where the fuck are we? Okay, right here, right? 9:30. Yeah. So we come up here, right? I'm still expecting these lows to get hit. We come up, there's a 5 minute right here, and I'm expecting that to hopefully take us lower because there's no reason why we should sweep any highs over here, and we didn't. So we finally got that displacement down. We, retraced, and then we got a flip right here. This flip was pretty good. It's not bad, but what are we flipping into? Um, hold on. What are we flipping into? Leave was like was it a 15? Yeah, it was a newly formed 15-minute gap, like a fat 15-minute gap. So therefore, I'm not taking that shit. I didn't have enough confidence because I am bullish and I am going against the higher time frame draw too. So with that 15-minute and going against it, there's a chance that that 15-minute holds, Like we don't have to sweep out this low, but I do think we were going to go lower. And then yeah, we retrace to this gap and then just displace lower again. We swept that London lows. We got a flip and then slow chop. I was off by this candle right here. This candle, I was out. Did not want to trade anymore. Um, and yeah, just slow chop. This was the only valid take right here. This flip right here. If I was on at 12:30, 100% this would have been a fire fucking long. Where are my targets? Yeah, to these highs. I honestly I would have taken it to this high. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe held a runner if I was super confident, but that is like the play of the day. It happened at 12:30. I'm not gonna be spending 3 hours on the charts just like staring at fucking candles. I'm not spending that much time. But if I saw it that this is perfect, we sweep out this low right here. I wonder if we had a SMT or something. That would have been fucking awesome. No, we didn't, but NQ ended up being the more bullish pair anyways. No, never mind. ES kind of was. Um, but yeah, no, we sweep out this low, we inverse this gap, V-shaped recovery. We're inside this gap on ES, and the draw is obviously higher. We have bullish structure, right? Off of this, like market structure shift, all that crap, retrace, another sweeping out highs, displacing above it, retrace, inversion. We're gonna go to the highs. Um, Also this was valid too, this play. Um, Honestly, that inverse, that is something that would probably stop me out. I'm not gonna lie. That looked fire, but it's not 100% win rate strategy. This would have been fire too for like a re-entry if I wanted to take that. Um, and yeah, chop. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so ended up not taking any trades. Perfectly fine with that. It does suck because I was rebuild today, and yesterday I got break evens. Which was it was a sucky break even because I was like $100 away from like passing the account. And today there was some good moves. I know where price was probably gonna go. It's just that there was no entries and it was highly manipulative, and it just like none of the time frames worked. That it just wasn't it that day. Um, but yeah, that's it.